us start with polynomials expected questions. This chapter contains 11 marks in the exam. Now, let us see the first question. It says verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So, the given one is p of x, 3x plus 1 and x equal to minus 1 by 3. So, to solve this, we have to just put in place of x the value given. So p of minus 1 by 3 will be 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So this will be minus 1 plus 1, so 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial p of x equal to 3x plus 1. Now, in that the B1 is P of x equal to 5x minus pi and x equal to where x equal to 4 by 5. So, again doing the same thing, P of 4 by 5 I am doing. So that will be 5 into 4 upon 5 minus pi. So 5 cancel, so this comes as 4 minus pi and it is not equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 4 by 5 is not the 0 of the polynomial p of x. Now question 2 says classify the following as linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial. So to classify we have to just see the highest power of the polynomial given to us. So if we take the a1 x square plus x, the highest power is 2 or degree of the polynomial is 2. So that will be quadratic polynomial. Then b1 if I take, there the highest power is 3. So it is cubic polynomial. And the first one if I see, or third one if I see, so it says x plus 2. So x plus 2 power is 1, so it is linear. The third question says write the degree of each of the following polynomial. First one is 5x cube plus 4x plus 7x square. So degree of the polynomial will be highest power. So highest power of x here it is 3. So degree of the polynomial will be 3. In the second one, degree of polynomial will be, see, highest power. So highest power in both it is 1. So it will be 1. Now the next question says determine which of the following is divisible by x plus 1. First one is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So here I want to check with x plus 1. So x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1. So therefore I have to just put p of x, that is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. I have to put in place of x minus 1. So that will be minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. So this will be minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So that is 0. So therefore I can say p of x equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is divisible by x plus 1. Now in that second one if I take, it says x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So again the same thing, x plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore x equal to 1 should be the factor. So p of x equal to x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So P of minus 1 will be minus 1 raised to 4 plus minus 1 raised to 3 plus minus 1 raised to 2 plus minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. So this will be 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So 1 and minus 1 got cancelled. So answer is coming as 1. So therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of p of x. That is, the given polynomial is not divisible by x plus 1. Now next question says, write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. So coefficient of x square in the first one, that is x plus 2 plus x square. The coefficient means the term which is written before or the value which is written before just x square and the sign. So here nothing is written, so I can write 1x square. So coefficient of x square is 1. Same way in the second one, coefficient of x square will be minus 1. Now next question says factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So if you see carefully here, these two terms and these two terms if I take together, and from the first two I am taking x square common, so I am getting x minus 2. And I want again x minus 2 in the second bracket, so I need to take minus 1 common. So I will have x minus 2 and x square minus 1. Now again x minus 2, x square minus 1 will be a square minus b square, so I can write x minus 1, x plus 1. Now next is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So here if I divide, I keep it like this, x cube. Now minus 3x square I can write as plus x square minus 4x square, and minus 9x if I write that minus 4x minus 5x minus 5. So this, then in the next step if I take from first two x square common to x plus 1, from next two I am taking minus 4x, so I will get x plus 1. From the last two I am taking minus 5, so x plus 1. Now from all the three of them I am taking x plus 1, and in bracket I will get x square minus 4x minus 5. Now this become a quadratic equation, that x square minus 4x minus 5, so that I can again split it up as x square plus x minus 5x minus 5. Minus 5 such factors whose sum is minus 4. So this will become x plus 1, and into another bracket, if I take from the first two x common, to x plus 1, from the second two I am taking minus 5 common, to x plus 1. So this will be x plus 1 into x plus 1 and into x minus 5. So that will be my final answer. Now, the next one says x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So here if I take this as p of x, that is p of x equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. And if I find p of minus 1, so it will be minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. So this will be minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. So it will be 0. So therefore x equal to minus 1 is a factor. So I can say x plus 1 is factor of P of x. Now, if I divide this equation directly with that using long division, see, now I am using long division x plus 1. So I want x cube. So with x square I will multiply. So x cube plus x square. Now changing the sign. So x cube got cancelled. 13 minus 1 will be 12x square plus 32x. Now again plus 12x I will multiply to get 12x square. So 12x square plus 12x. Again minus minus, sign changed. So 12x square got cancelled. Now 32 minus 12 will be 20x plus 20. Now with plus 20 if I do multiply, so 20x plus 20. Again minus minus. So both terms got cancelled. So I got 0 as the answer. So therefore I can say x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 will be equal to x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20. Now, see, still we have x square there. So I can use it, the splitting method, middle term splitting method. So I can say x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20 will be, so x plus 1. Now in the second bracket from first two I am taking x common. So x plus 10, from second I am taking, second two terms I am taking 2 common. So x plus 10. So this will be x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10. So these are the three factors of that. Fourth one says P of x equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So here also using trial and error method, if I find P of 1, so I will get 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So this will be 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So I will get 0. So I can say therefore x minus 1 is a factor of P of y. Now again I will be doing the long division. So I am given 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1, and I have to divide with y minus 1. So with y minus 1 I have to divide, so 2y square I will multiply to get 2y cube minus 2y square. Now minus plus sign change, so the first two terms got the first term got cancelled, and y square plus 2y square will be 3y square minus 2y. So plus 3y I will multiply. So 3y square minus 3y. So minus plus. So 3y square got cancelled. Minus 2 plus 3 will be 1y minus 1. So with plus 1 if I do 1y minus 1. Sign change. So both the terms got cut out, so I can say okay, 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 will be equal to y minus 1 into 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Still, I can still ahead factorize that, that is y minus 1 into 2y square plus 2y plus y plus 1. So this will be y minus 1 into, from the first two I am taking 2y common, so y plus 1. From second two I am taking 1 common, so y plus 1. So this will be y minus 1 into y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. So I got all the three factors of P of Y. Factorize. The first one is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So if I see 12 and 1, it will be 12. So 12 such factors I have to do whose sum comes as minus 7. So I can say 3 and 4. So minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. So from the first two I am taking 4x common. So 3x minus 1. From the second two I am taking minus 1 common. So 3x minus 1. So this becomes 4x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. Now the next one in that is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So 2 threes are 6. So 6 such factors whose sum comes as 7. So I can have 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. So now from the first two terms I am taking 2x common, so x plus 3. Now from the second two I am taking 1 common, so x plus 3. So my answer will be x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Third one in that says 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Now if I multiply a and C, that is 6 into minus 6, so it is minus 36. So minus 36 factors I have to do whose sums comes as 5. So I know that 9 fours are is 36, so I can say 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. So from the first two I am taking 3x common, so 2x plus 3, and from the second two I am taking minus 2 common, so 2x plus 3. So now from both of them I am taking 2x plus 3 common, so the other bracket will be 3x minus 2. So I can say my factors are 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. Now next is 3x square minus x minus 4. So here also 3 fours are 12. So 12 such factor whose sum is minus 1. So 4 and 3. So this will be equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. So rearranging I will get 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4. So from the first two I am taking 3x, so x plus 1. From the next two I am taking minus 4, so x plus 1. So now I got the factors as 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. Now next question says find the value of k if x minus 1 is the factor of p of x in each of the following. And the first one says p of x equal to x square plus x plus k. Now it is given that x minus 1 is a factor. So x minus 1 should be equal to 0. So x equal to. That means p of 1 should be 0. So here I am putting p of 1 equal to 0. So 0 equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k. So I get 0 equal to 1 plus 1 plus k. So 0 equal to 2 plus k. So k equal to minus 2 is the value of k. Now it is given already to us that p of x equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2 and x minus 1 is factor. So I know that p of 1 should be 0. So p of 1 is 0, that is 0 equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. So 0 equal to 2 plus k plus root 2. So k equal to minus 2 minus root 2. So that is k I can write as minus root 2 into root 2 my plus 1. Next one says p of x equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Now already p of 1 is 0, so I can say 0 equal to k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. So k will be equal to 1 minus root 2. So that is my answer. Next is p of x equal to kx square minus 3x plus k, and x minus 1 is factor. So x equal to 1 is a factor here, so p of 1 should be equal to 0. So 0 equal to k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. So I can say 0 equal to 2k minus 3. So k will be equal to 3 by 2. Now next question says find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following. First one given to me is p of x equal to x plus 5. So to find zero, p of x I will take as 0. So 0 equal to x plus 5. So x equal to minus 5. In the first one I got x equal to minus 5 as the solution. Now second one says p of x equal to x minus 5. Here also the same thing, p of x equal to 0. So 0 equal to x minus 5. So x will be equal to 5. So x equal to minus 5 is the zero of the first polynomial and x equal to 5 is the zero of the second polynomial.